Hi, Panthers. Good morning and happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are doing an awesome job. We are now in week 5 of our distance learning and our math challenge. I hope you guys are having a great time and doing everything that you need to be successful. Remember, Math Challenge is really here just to help you out and have a little fun with math. All right. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get started and we're going to start with Monday's solution to the Math Challenge. And then we're going to go on to today. Don't forget, you can always catch us on on Fridays at 8:45 for our shout outs. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for Monday's solutions to our math challenge, kindergarten, you guys had the crab, turtle, and whale and your question mark. So looking at that, your crab is worth 9, your turtle was worth 10, and your whale was worth 7. That question mark was worth 16. Don't forget, kindergarten, I gave you these because they were a little bit bigger numbers. I know you guys are counting past 20 at this point, so I know you could do it. How'd you do? All right, first grade. You guys had the pomegranate, the melon, and the lemon, and that question mark. The melon was worth 9, the pomegranate was worth 13, the lemon was worth 2, and that question mark is worth 16. So how did you guys do first and second grade? Did you start again at the melon? Good. I think I have a tricky one for you guys today, so we'll see in a minute. All right. And third through fifth grade, which one of these is not a true statement? Remember what we said, what happens on one side of the question, the equal sign has to be the same as the other side of the equal sign. So which of these equations is true? And it's number 2. I'm sorry, is not true. Not which one of these equations is not true. So number 2 is not true. When you do that multiplication and then you add them up, that does not equal the same thing. How'd you guys do? Are you getting the hang of it? Good, because I made it a little more tricky this week. All right, on to today's math challenge. So for kindergarten, you guys have the yellow, blue, and green faces. How much does each represent? And what is that question mark worth? So kindergarten, you might see something a little different this time. If you look at the second equation, you see a subtraction sign. So I added subtraction to this week's math challenge for you guys. Can you deal with it? Can you handle it? I know you can. All right, first and second grade, you have the science fiction theme going on today with the planets, the alien, and the spaceship. So which one, or how much are each of these worth, and what is that question mark worth? Don't forget, if this is going too fast, you can always pause so you guys can do the math for your grade level. And finally, third through fifth grade, we have something a little different. So we have some images that represent numbers. So not only do you have to find out which one is not true, you have to first solve for the image that is there in place of the number. So what does the image represent, and which statement is not true? There's a little hint at the bottom of the page if you guys see that. Remember, if you need more time, you can always pause. So that's all I have today for Math Challenge, you guys. I hope you are having a blast with this. Don't forget, we are going to be collecting names and putting them in a drawing for people that have been consistent with the Math Challenge. And Miss Maxwell and I may be making surprise visits for those prizes. All right, that's all I have for today, Panthers. Have an awesome day.